Ayo, what's going on everybody? It's your boy Grandmaster, back at ya with another video. Before we get this one started, I'm gonna remind you, smash that subscribe button and let's grow this channel together. So for this one, we're back in the unboxing setup, and I actually have my own artwork to show off. I have in here the second chain I've ever made. It is a purple lollipop chain for a homie on Instagram that goes by Hetty Hedgehog. He's a cool guy, definitely go give him a follow. He's gonna be having the second chain I've ever made. I have decided to start sending the chains out in this kind of like a utility box. It's got padding inside, and I just felt like this is going to be a great way to package my art, travel with it, and then that way when he's done with it or when he's not wearing it, he'll actually have somewhere to house it, so it's super, super safe. And I just put on a couple little details and wrote what color it was on it. I have a bunch actually right here for a few more chains that I'm doing. I am halfway through. I'm working on the third, fourth, fifth, and I need to get one more box for the sixth. I opened up my custom list and I had 6 slots, and then I closed it once I got the 6th one locked in. Actually, the Dabbing Nomad, she got the first chain I've made and she locked down chain number 6 on my custom list. So open and close for her, ballin'. But I think I'm going to open it back up after I complete that 6th one. I probably will do 4 more, and then I'll move on to the next thing because these chains have taught me a lot. I'm really, really enjoying them. I'll probably always go back and revisit these and make chains and do different things that have to do with chain linking. And just to know that I made a certain amount of them and then I move on, it just adds to that collectability and just like the one of specialness, because each chain that I'm doing, I'm letting the customer choose what color they want, any color in the world. A couple of them I'm doing two-tone colors like every other link, and I'll never make that color chain again. So I just thought that was a really cool feature, and it would make me feel special, and that's why one of the reasons I blow glass and I create art is to create that special magic and put it in the air. So just being able to do that. And circling back around to these boxes, yeah, they're going to be a cool way to ship my art and keep them safe. I also got some Fragile stickers to put on the boxes on the outside of them when I ship them. So, alrighty, guys. Y'all want to see what's inside, though, right? I'm talking a lot. Now let's find out. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna be sad to see it go, but I'm gonna be more happy to see it go to its real home. I'm gonna have to actually make my own chain because I don't even have one yet. And yeah, these are fucking cool. Like, I forget that I even have made this. Like, wow, really, really cool symmetry, great everything on it, to be honest. Yeah, not to toot my own horn, but I am really, really proud that I started making these. I had a homie here in town, Texas Green Cave. He actually, I made a 3mm chain, and he told me that I should make a 7mm chain, a big baller chain. I actually told him that I didn't think I was able to. I wasn't going to be able to for a while. Kicked around the idea, thought about it, and thought, man, he is so right. Later that day, somebody hit me up and asked for a big baller chain, Dabbing Nomad, and it made it work. On to chain number 2, I actually have a bust to hang it up and display and just to know what it looks like when it's going to be hanging on somebody's chest. I think one of my favorite features I've decided to do, I could have closed the links, but I like the fact that it is removable and these clasps come apart. So if you had like a crazy hairdo, or if you wanted it to be really, really tight on your neck, you could have it be that way. So having it not fixed, somehow I like that adds to the uniqueness to my chains. Because yeah, the solid chains are really cool, and one of the chains I am going to make like that. That's how the customer wants it. But in my artistic opinion, I do really like the clasp. So yeah, just being able to hop in this unboxing station and show off my artwork, I think that is a really cool thing to do. I'm working more towards doing that. I am making sure I am going to be bringing my artwork as well as other things that I have purchased and that I want to show off, because it's nothing that's going to be sponsored or anything like that. It's just things that I like that I want to share with you guys, like the Raspberry Pi video I did, unboxing my kiln, things like that. I just want to be able to share that and bring you guys in to the whole experience of what I'm doing because, yeah, I love YouTube. I love watching YouTube. I learn a lot from YouTube. That's one of the ways I've learned how to blow glass. I'm self-taught, but a lot of it is through YouTube and learning just little tips and tricks that I see through videos. So I really want to contribute back, and I would like that is why I'm making these videos because, hey, never stop evolving, and I like to share that with you guys. So keep an eye out for the next video. Keep an eye out for the next chain. Yeah, and other than that, guys, make sure you subscribe and never stop evolving.
Grandmaster Glass.